Yeah, for me, for Captain Galleria, during this 2 days training, I gained a lot of knowledge, especially for my case diesel status from container to general cargo and bulk. So I have learned a lot for this training. Thank you, sir, for good training for us, especially these 2 days. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, kay Captain Galera sa mga itinuro, sa mga yung mga precise sa mga shortcut na mga diskarte na pwedeng magamit ng sa bangko. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much kay Captain Galera sa Polaris for 2 days training, extra knowledge. Thank you.
Thank you kay Captain Galera sa 2 days na stability and fit. Marami akong matutunan. Thank you, sir.